Ever wonder how that pizza slice or burger you love transforms into stubborn body fat? It's not magic, it's science. And once you understand the process, you'll see your food choices in a whole new light. Hey, thriving beings, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and eye-opening journey, how the food we eat turns into body fat. From the moment you take that first bite to when it's stored on your waistline, every step is crucial and a bit surprising. So stick around as we break down this process step by step and uncover the hidden secrets of fat digestion and storage. Step 1. Digestion starts in the mouth. Let's start our journey with the first, often overlooked step of digestion, right in your mouth. The moment you take a bite, your body kicks into action. Your saliva, which might seem like just a lubricant for chewing, contains an enzyme called lingual lipase that begins breaking down fats into tiny droplets. This early action is like the prep work for your digestive system, emulsifying and softening fats to make them easier to handle later on. But it's not just about enzymes. Chewing plays a critical role too. By breaking food into smaller pieces, chewing increases the surface area, making it easier for enzymes to do their job more effectively. It's like giving those enzymes a head start, making their job easier as the food moves down the digestive tract. This seemingly simple step is essential, as it sets the stage for everything that follows. So while it might feel like digestion only happens in your stomach, it actually begins the moment you take your first bite. This early breakdown of fats helps pave the way for the more complex digestion that happens further along, making your mouth an unsung hero in the journey of fat digestion. So next time you eat, remember, your digestive process starts way before that food hits your stomach. Step 2. Stomach digestion. Next, let's talk about what happens in your stomach, a crucial stage in the digestion of fats. Once you swallow, food travels down to the stomach, where it encounters gastric lipase, an enzyme produced in the stomach lining that continues breaking down fats into smaller molecules like diglycerides and fatty acids. The stomach's muscular walls churn the food, mixing it with acids and enzymes to facilitate this process. This step is slow, taking about 2 to 4 hours, and it's responsible for digesting around 30% of the fats you consume. While the stomach often seems like just a storage area, it plays a highly active role in preparing fats for further digestion in the small intestine. The breakdown of fats here is essential as it primes them for more intensive digestion by other enzymes later in the digestive tract. This stage ensures that fats are adequately processed and ready for absorption, highlighting the stomach's critical role beyond just holding food. So even though it might not seem like much, your stomach is busy churning, mixing, and breaking down fats into manageable pieces, setting the stage for the next, more complex steps in fat digestion. Understanding this can give you a better appreciation of how your body handles every bite you take. Step 3. Small intestine and bile's role. Now we're entering the small intestine, where the real magic happens in fat digestion. As the partially digested fats move into the small intestine, the liver steps in by releasing bile, a powerful mixture of bile salts, lecithin, and emulsifiers. These components latch onto the fat molecules, breaking them down into even smaller pieces. This process is crucial because fats are not water-soluble, so they need this extra help to be properly digested. Here's a fun fact. A 2018 study found that solid fats, like butter, are harder for the body to digest than liquid fat droplets. Since these fats are solid at room temperature, it takes more effort for your body to break them down. While this is interesting, it's worth noting that many plant-based fats, such as those from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, remain liquid at room temperature, making them easier for digestion and a great choice for your diet. Bile acts like a detergent, emulsifying the fats and increasing their surface area, making it easier for enzymes like pancreatic lipase to continue the digestion process. This step ensures that fats can be broken down effectively and absorbed by the body later on. Without bile, your body wouldn't be able to handle fats efficiently, leading to digestion issues and nutrient deficiencies. So, in the small intestine, bile is the unsung hero that keeps fat digestion running smoothly. Step 4. Absorption into the bloodstream. After fats are broken down in the small intestine, They are absorbed by tiny hair-like structures called microvilli that line the intestinal walls. Here, the fatty acids and monoglycerides are reassembled into triacylglycerols and packaged into lipoproteins, essentially little transport vehicles for fats. These lipoproteins enter the lymphatic system, which plays a vital role in immune function, and eventually make their way into the bloodstream. Once in the bloodstream, these fats are either used immediately for energy or stored as body fat, depending on the body's current needs. This absorption process is crucial because it ensures that fats are effectively delivered where they're needed in the body or safely stored for future use. Without it, the fats couldn't be utilized efficiently. This process highlights the incredible efficiency of the human body in managing energy resources, making sure that no fat is wasted and that the body is prepared with energy reserves when needed. When the body needs energy, stored fats can be broken down and utilized. But when there is an excess, they contribute to the accumulation of body fat. This emphasizes the importance of consuming fats in balance with the body's energy needs. Too much fat intake without corresponding energy expenditure leads to fat storage, which over time can result in weight gain. Understanding this process helps in making informed dietary choices that support a healthy balance between fat intake and energy use. Step 5. The path to fat storage. Once fats are absorbed into the bloodstream, the body determines whether to use them immediately for energy or store them for later. If your body doesn't need the fats right away, they're stored as body fat, a process primarily regulated by insulin and other hormones. This stored fat serves as a backup energy source, ready to be tapped into during times of low food intake or increased physical demand. However, when we consume more fats, especially from high-calorie diets than the body requires, the excess is quickly stored as fat, contributing to weight gain. This is because the body is designed to hold on to extra energy to survive periods of scarcity, something our modern lifestyle rarely needs. As a result, consistently consuming more calories than the body needs leads to a surplus of stored fat, which accumulates over time. This process highlights the importance of balanced eating. By managing portion sizes, choosing healthier fats, and maintaining an active lifestyle, you can help regulate your body's fat storage mechanisms. The goal isn't to eliminate fat, but to consume it in moderation, aligning intake with your body's energy needs. Understanding this process can empower you to make smarter dietary choices, keeping you healthy and helping prevent unnecessary weight gain. So remember, balanced eating is key. Fuel your body with what it needs and avoid overloading it with more than it can handle. How to improve fat digestion. Effective fat digestion is crucial for maintaining overall health and supporting vital bodily functions. Here are some tips to improve fat digestion. 1. Eat healthful fats. Focus on plant-based fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These are easier for the body to digest and packed with nutrients. 2. Choose a balanced diet. A 2018 study found that high-fat diets, typical of Western eating habits, can lead to gut bacteria changes that increase fat absorption. A balanced lower-fat diet may help prevent excess fat storage. 3. Support liver health. The liver produces bile, essential for fat digestion. Protect your liver by reducing alcohol consumption and eating foods that support liver function, like leafy greens and citrus fruits. 4. Treat underlying health conditions. If you have any digestive or liver-related conditions, it's important to seek treatment, as these can impair your ability to digest fats properly. By focusing on these tips, you can improve fat digestion while keeping your body nourished. And there you have it, the complete journey of how food becomes body fat. So next time you eat, you'll know exactly what's happening inside your body. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into how your body works.